আমি just শুরু করার আগে I just like to say a few things that I feel. First of all, আমি শাহনাজ সুলতানা, যারা আপনারা আমাকে চেনেন না। I'm the founding chair for We Global Women Foundation. And এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এই অ্যাসোসিয়েশন বলেন, কমিউনিটি বলেন, ফাউন্ডেশন বলেন, this is basically focusing women in finance and for their career advancement through networking, knowledge sharing and coaching. And আজকের যেই আমরা প্রোগ্রামটা করছি সেটা আমাদের knowledge sharing, of course. So overall well-being এর ভিতরে mental health একটা বিশাল বড় এরিয়া। So এটাই আমরা জানবো আজকে শিরোপার থেকে, who is an expert. And before that, a little bit about mindfulness, যেটা নাকি একটা খুব important word হচ্ছে। আজকাল আমাদের, we have such busy, fast-paced world একটা. And the pursuit of mental health and overall well-being has become a paramount concern for many of us, especially for women, because they are forced to balance, juggling between roles, different roles that they have to play, and if I may say, be very perfect in all the roles that they play. Among the many paths to mental wellness, I think mindfulness has emerged as a very powerful tool. Shiropa can a little bit talk about it later. And a constant juggling of work থেকে, মানে work, family, and personal life can lead to stress, anxiety, and burnout, which we have seen especially during the COVID. এই কোভিডের পরে আমাদের অনেক realization এসেছে. And then for many women, this daily struggle to find balance can take a toll on their mental health, যেটা আমরা দেখেছি আর কি, দেখছি. It's so crucial to understand the unique mental health challenges. কি কি চ্যালেঞ্জ আছে আমাদের, যেগুলি আমাদের মেন্টাল হেলথকে অ্যাফেক্ট করে, that women face due to social expectations, biological factors, and various life stages. So we will hear from someone who has been very successful in this area. She is none other than Shiropa. আপনারা মনের বন্ধুর কথা অনেকেই শুনেছেন, আমি শিওর সবাই শুনেছেন। So Moner Bondhu is a mental health care and well-being platform in Bangladesh, and I think they're working since 2016 towards Sustainable Development Goal 3 to provide accessible and affordable mental health care to all. With their experienced and certified psychosocial experts, advocates, and mental health workers, and I think 1,500 volunteers. And they also have dynamic management team. So they are covering or reaching about 4 million people online and more than 100,000 people through events in person. So we are absolutely thrilled today to have Tawhida Shiropa, who is the founder and CEO of Moner Bondhu. And I think she has more than 13 years of experience in the social sector. She just shared with us that she was with Prothom Alo. She started her career from there. And then she is an Acumen Fellow and US State Department Fellow, if I'm not wrong. So with that, over to you, Shiropa. Please, we will be happy to hear from you now.
Thank you so much, Appa. Thank you so much, everyone, for having me today. I think it's my great pleasure to sharing some of my experience words. And so I think this is not something new for all of you. I think you are all of you very aware of your mental health, of your well-being. I know many people from, I think, from here, so they are very much. I think they are also very much good in mental health advocacy. So I think this is something we just need to reflect sometime. Sometimes we just need to, you know, take a pause, reflect, and moving forward. So this is something I just remind you some of the things we need to focus on every day. So this is something, that's why Shahnaz Appa said like this is something that connecting with the mindfulness. So this is the platform, is not the things I will share many things, many knowledge, not like that. I would love to, I think, learn from you as well and know some of your experience, your ideas, your thoughts, your reflection about life, mental health, and so on. So thank you so much, Appa, and everyone for inviting me, and Moner Bondhu as well. And we can, if you allow me, so we can start the sessions. Sometime I can share the slide, or sometime we just need to, I think, just talk with each other. If everyone is okay with that, so I can share my screen.
Hello. Before you start, I want to say something. Is it okay?
Sure, definitely.
Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. I think you're very brave, and I think you can be a hero to so many people. What you've gone through and what you have achieved. Thank you.
You so much. I think this is something, I think, thank you so much. I got emotional. So yeah, মানে আমরা জানি আমরা প্রত্যেকে এখানে যারা আছি প্রত্যেকে অনেক কারেজাস, অনেক অ্যামেজিং পিপল। আমি সেটা বিলিভ করি। এবং সবচেয়ে বড় কথা, আমার যখন মার জার্নিটার মধ্য দিয়ে গিয়েছি, one thing I learned, like life is really beautiful and we just need to cherish the all those small moments, appreciation, and we just need to live on those moment. So ওইটা আসলে আমাদেরকে অনেক কারেজ দেয়, স্পেশালি এরকম যদি সাপোর্ট সিস্টেম থাকে উইথ ইচ আদার, উই ক্যান শেয়ার। আমি এবং আমার মা যখন ডিপ্রেশন থেকে বের হয়ে আসলো, তখন আমাকে সেই বিলিফ সিস্টেমটাকে আমার অনেক স্ট্রং করেছে যে মানে it worked, it really worked if you really worked in a good manner, if you have a good support system. সো সেই জায়গাটাতে আসলে কাজ করা। থ্যাংক ইউ সাজি আপা। আই হোপ যে আমি আপনাদের থেকে অনেক শিখবো এবং আমার জার্নিটা ডেফিনেটলি আমাদের আজকের কথার মধ্যে দিয়ে চলে আসবে। এখন আমি জানি যে সবাই কাজ থেকে এসেছে বা অনেক থাকে না, ওভারওয়েলম হয়ে আছেন, কেউ কেউ মানে হয়তো কাজের মধ্যেও এখনো আছেন। তো আমি একটু জানতে চাচ্ছি চ্যাট বক্সে যদি আপনারা লেখেন বা কেউ যদি একটু বলেন যে মানে হাউ আর ইউ ফিলিং এট দিস মোমেন্ট। আই ক্যান স্টার্ট, লাইক আমার যদি বলেন যে এই মুহূর্তে আমার ফিলিংস হচ্ছে আমি অনেক এক্সাইটেড, অনেক কিউরিয়াস, দ্যাটস মাই ফিলিং এট দিস মোমেন্ট। আপনারা যদি একটু বলেন আপনাদের ফিলিংস গুলো কিরকম। আবার টায়ার্ড, এক্সস্টেড, কেউ কেউ হ্যাপি, কেউ কেউ লাভ ফিলিং করছেন, একজন লিখছে কিভাবে হেল্প করতে পারেন। um yes, very overwhelmed with stress. Thank you so much, I think, for sharing your feelings with me. And thank you for, I think, showing the, I think it's really a courageous step যখন আমরা আমাদের নিজেদের অনেস্ট ফিলিংস এর কথা বলতে পারি। কারণ মোস্ট অফ দ্য টাইম উই কুডন্ট শেয়ার আওয়ার অনেস্ট ফিলিং। যখন বলেছেন, একজন লিখেছেন ফিলিং সামহট অ্যাংশাস অ্যাবাউট রিসেন্ট ম্যাটার, কেউ হোপফুল লাগছে, নিউ আইডিয়া টু চেঞ্জ মেন্টাল হেলথ। সো আমাদের যেমন হোপফুলও লাগছে, আবার অ্যাংশিয়াসনেসও আছে একই সাথে। আমরা কেউ কেউ অনেক ওভারওয়েলমড, কেউ কেউ অনেক স্ট্রেসফুল সিচুয়েশনের মধ্যে আছে, কেউ কেউ আসলেই আমরা ভালো নেই। এবং থ্যাংক ইউ আপনাদের নিজেদেরকেও আমার মনে হয় যে একটা থ্যাংক ইউ দিয়ে দেন আপনারা প্লিজ, যে দিস ইজ দ্য মোমেন্ট ইউ শুড থ্যাংক ইউর সেলফ, যে আপনারা একটা স্টেপ নিয়েছেন নিজের ব্যাপারে, যে আপনারা নিজেকে অ্যাটলিস্ট অ্যালাউ করেছেন এরকম একটা প্ল্যাটফর্মে বলতে, যা আপনাদের ট্রু ফিলিংসটা এই মুহূর্তে কি। কারণ বেশিরভাগ সময় আমরা আমাদের ট্রু ফিলিংস এর কথা আর কিন্তু কাউকে বলতে পারি না, কারণ আমরা ওরকম প্ল্যাটফর্ম পাই না। নিজেকেও বলতে চাই না যে আসলে আমার এই মুহূর্তে অনেক স্ট্রেস লাগছে, অনেক ওভারওয়েলম লাগছে। সো থ্যাংক ইউ ফর শেয়ারিং ইউর feelings with me, with the community. So, sharing with the slide, like everyone can see that, right? We first started with the session, the mindful women, a journey to mental well-being. So, definitely something. This is something very aligned with my life, aligned with the Monar Bondhu. That's why I think it's a long journey so far. I think it's a long way to go. I really, really believe in that, and especially for the, I think, for the sector of the mental health is very stigmatized, is very sometimes neglected. But the hopeful thing is like bright side is right now people like us, we are like raising our voice, we are aware well, এবং we are aware the others as well at the same time. And there's something that's why I think I should learn more. For my personal growth, সেই জন্য আমি NLP তে মাস্টার ট্রেনিং করে ফেলেছি from India. So now I can, as a even not as a CEO, as a founder, I am, I think, initiate the session because of the I had the training with the NLP master training. I had the session training with the mindfulness as well. So I can do, I think I can facilitate the training. That's why I'm here. But we have like many counselors, psychosocial counselors, psychologists. So they can provide the actual the counseling session, the one-to-one sessions. Since Shahnaz Appa said, like I can briefly say about something more Bondhu. So More Bondhu is a mental health care and wellbeing service platform startup, and we have a 24/7 helpline. We have a website, so we can see our website. We have a very engaging social media like Instagram and Facebook. Every day our content team, our research team, they have like developed many content and is uploaded that, and people interact with that. And I think the 100,000 people every day they are interacting with many of our content, so you can see and you can, I think like that as well. And this is something the Moner Bondhu achieved so far. Like this year, Moner Bondhu has been listed in the Moner Bondhu and I listed the Vogue 100 innovators list from the first time in Bangladesh. And also this year, we won the Tommy Hilfiger Fashion Frontier Challenge Awards to bringing innovation in the R&D sector. At the same time, we are naming in the startup ICT startup in this year, and these are like our great moment which I always wanted to be cherished. And as a nutshell, Moner Bondhu has like a different components. As one is in-person counseling, online counseling, corporate training. We have like online courses, and so far this is our reach and impact. As said, like Shanazapa said, like of course 2.4.2 million, more than 2.4 million people always reached through our different services program, and we have repeat customers. We have an app, so we're trying to reach people to make the mental health very accessible and affordable for everyone. And these are like our, I think, something we really wanted to share, like I think everyone is here, right, professional women, they're working in the finance sector, as we're working for employee well-being program. We have like the employee assistance program, including our technological platform and in person and online. So these are like some of our B2B partners who are working with us, and we have the partnership. And I think at this moment, if you have like phone on your, I mean, like in your hand, so you can just scan this and measure your stress. So, and I think, and write in the chat box. So, and of course, we have some ground rules as Shahnaz Appa and I had a conversation before starting the sessions. Like, of course, we maintain the confidentiality. We have a very non-judgmental attitude in Monar Bondhu, even in the sessions, and we had to, I think, show respect to each other. Even some things like maybe that's not my cup of tea, maybe it's not my ideology, but still we have to show respect to the other people's opinion, other people's thoughts, and we will accept the the truth. We have to sometime maintain the acceptance in our life. So I think this is the ground rules we always share with our group of people when we are conducting any sessions.